you want to make sure that you put in the positive aspects to this in any communication that goes out to a client to make sure that they see that this is a great change and it's good for the agency and it's good for them. Hi, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here to talk to you today in this 3-minute video about a communication strategy when you buy an insurance agency. So it's very important for your client and the agency you buy's clients to understand the process. Most importantly, for the agency you purchase, the clients are going to see a name change. They're going to see something happening. And it's best if they hear it from you first before hearing from a new agency or getting a letter. So the best thing is take the agency that was purchased. The staff and the leadership of that agency need to come up with a strategy on how they're going to communicate this to their customers. The reason why is because you don't want the customers to receive information randomly about this purchase, or you don't want them to see a carrier, something come in from their carrier and it's got this name of an agency that they do not recognize, because that will spark them to go shop if they're familiar with the agency name. So communication strategy, you can do an email, you could do an automated email, but you need to make sure it's personalized. So use automation with personalized content to that client. You can mail letters, snail mail. Snail mail still works. People usually still get their mail. They usually still open it. You could do both. You could do an automated email and do snail mail, but be very clear that if a customer calls in and says, oh my gosh, I saw this name and I don't understand, you can say, hey, we sent an email and we sent snail mail. We sent mail to your home just to let you know about this change, and then explain to them this change is not a bad thing. There could be some great technology that the new agency that purchased the agency has. There could be some carriers they have that you didn't have access before. So you need to make it a positive experience. You need to be excited about this change. So the staff of the agency that's purchased need to have things that's going to make it a positive experience, and they need to push those positive experiences out to the customer and their clients to make it look like, hey, this is a great thing. We got purchased by a private equity firm. They have all this technology. They have access to all these carriers. They've got some great digital platforms, whether it be a website or apps. So you want them to make this experience exciting. So communication strategies would be emails. You can do them automated. Automated is probably the best, but personalized. You can do snail mail. You can do a text message. Hey, just so you know, our agency has been bought out by this company and it's going to make so many things better. You want to make sure that you put in the positive aspects to this in any communication that goes out to a client to make sure that they see that this is a great change and it's good for the agency and it's good for them. So use things like emails, snail mail, text messages, communication with clients, putting letters on, the front door if you have a lot of clients that walk in. Hey, ask me about this change that's happening. You can actually have a discussion with your client. But make sure, first and foremost, you are communicating with your client about this change. Don't let them find out through seeing a name somewhere or through the grapevine. You want it to come directly from you. So that's our suggestion. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.